This is Fred. Fred wants to remodel his yard today and needs some help. He wants to put in a nice fence like this one, but needs to find the perimeter of his yard, so he knows how much fence to buy. Fred asks, "What is perimeter?" Perimeter is the distance around a polygon, or in your case, Fred, it's the distance around your yard. You can measure each side and then add them together. Now Fred wants to lay some nice new grass, but he needs to figure out how much he needs to buy. Fred asks, "How do I do that?" With area. To find the area, take the measurements you took before when you were finding perimeter, but this time multiply them together, and you can find the area of the region you want to cover with new grass. Now Fred wants to build a rectangular pond, just like this one, but he needs to figure out how much water he will need. How will he figure it out? With volume. To find the volume of a rectangle, measure the length, width, and height, and then multiply them together. Fred thinks that sounds pretty easy. Fred's friend wants to send him a bird feeder statue from another state. How do we know how much to spend on shipping? If Fred's friend takes the statue to the post office, they will most likely weigh it in pounds, which is what we use to weigh objects that are a little heavier. When we weigh ourselves, we also weigh ourselves in pounds. Wow, Fred, that was a long, busy day, and it sure was hot outside. Fred, I wonder how hot it is. Well, Fred, when we measure the temperature outside, we use Fahrenheit as our scale. Let's see what our thermometer says. Wow, 90 degrees. That's hot. Fred says, "I think it's time to go inside. That was a long, busy day, and my yard looks great. Thank you for your help with measurement."